Hi guys, it's Shami. So I have some Happy Mail. This is from Staci Wilson, and she sent me this beautiful package. It's so colorful and gorgeous. It's in pink, and then look at the back. Those hips won't pay for themselves. It's really cute, adorable, and I like the little bump. Thank you, Stacy. Sorry, I got this a few days ago, but I've had a really crazy week. So I made soda bread with one of my baking buddies, so that was pretty fun. And yeah, it's just been a crazy week. I've had a lot to get done. So I'm so sorry that I couldn't open this the day that I got it, but I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. It was a lovely surprise. Very fun. All right, so let's open this baby up. I just remembered I have to take my medication. Okay, we'll get through this. That's very good. So we're going to take this out for my acid reflux, which I think you guys know about anyway. So yeah, I have to take it. I totally spaced it again. It's normally when I take it. But we'll take this out. This is so nice. Thank you, Stacy. Very cool. Oh, let me read this first. Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Stacy. Very nice. Well, I'm so glad that you picked me. Very nice. I love it. What a cute little note. And look, I won't show you that, but look, there's a little. Isn't that pretty? It's like a little pot. I love it. Thank you so much for the notes. I love those. I actually use a lot of the notes in collages because I love to infuse you guys in my artwork. So this looks like a really fun package. Very cool. Nice. Oh, wow. So there's some die cuts here that I see. How nice. Oh, these are beautiful. So there's feathers. Lots of different kinds of feathers. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love it. Very pretty. Those are beautiful. And there's another feather. And then these are absolutely beautiful. I love them. Very nice. Wow. Those will be fun to cut up and use. Wow. Wow. And then there's puzzle pieces and more feathers. Let's see here. Very nice. This is really cool. I love these little puzzle pieces. And I love these paper clips. Those are so cute. The little paper clips. I have a star and a heart. Those are very cute. Very nice. How fun. And look at these little arrows. Aren't those cute? So they're really cool looking arrows. Very fun. Those will be fun. So many projects you can use those for. And then tickets. I love tickets. How fun are those? Those are always great to incorporate. Very nice. Thank you. I can always use some of those. And then look at this. I think these are Project Life cards. But that's really cool. It's like ephemera. It looks like vintage ephemera. Oh, isn't that great? I like that with the queen. That's adorable. Wow, and then this must be some type of sticker of some kind. That'll be fun in collage. I really love the color and the patterns. I think that's really pretty. And napkins. Oh my gosh, I love napkins. Oh wow, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I'm so making a mixed media canvas with that. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. With the butterfly. Oh wow. Those flowers are beautiful. I love flowers and butterflies. I'm such a girl. There's these. Aren't these beautiful? Oh, I love the pattern. Pretty colors. Very nice. And there's receipts. Very fun. Oh, and more beautiful napkins. That's a really pretty one. I made a journal with that one time. But I love this size. It's a really great size to do with a lot of cool things with. So I'm excited for that. Plus I can use these edges to incorporate into a canvas. And then look at the pretty bird. Oh, with the flower and the berries. Very cute. Let's open it up. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is really beautiful. And it's really nice because they're not repeated like the images, which is very cool. I love that a lot. That again will probably be a napkin collage. And then hearts. Aren't those pretty? Those are fun, especially for Valentine's Day. Thank you. Ooh, and look at these gorgeous stickers. Wow, those are nice. Those make a great card. Very nice, but I like them. Very cool. And then look at these beautiful pieces of paper. Scrapbooking paper. Wow. That's really pretty. I love the colors. Wow. All three of those. See, I can already have the background for a canvas done. Thank you. Oh my gosh. And then look, there's a map. I like maps too. Very cool. And it says friendship. Isn't that cute? Well, thank you, Staci. You are definitely a wonderful friend, and your envelope had me laughing. It was so adorable. That's right. How cute is that? So thank you so much for this beautiful Happy Mail. Please forgive me for not getting this done quicker. But it's Thursday and I had some time, so I'm so happy that I got to sit down and really enjoy it, because if I had opened it, it would have just been a rush, and that's no fun. I love to open Happy Mail and to be able to enjoy it. So thank you again for this wonderful, wonderful Happy Mail. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and thank you, Staci. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.